Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Dwolla Payment Platform. Review my usage experience. Dwolla Payment Platform. Review my usage experience offers a payment processing platform designed for businesses and developers. Its main purpose is to facilitate secure and efficient online transactions, targeting businesses seeking an alternative to traditional payment processors. Key features include API integration, batch payments, and various security measures. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Dwolla positions itself as a cost-effective and developer-friendly solution. They emphasize transparent pricing with no hidden fees and offer a robust API for seamless integration into existing systems. Their website highlights their commitment to security and compliance. Availability is widespread, though businesses should check their website for specific regional details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Dwolla Payment Platform. Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I was able to create my account and connect my bank account within about 15 minutes. The interface itself is clean and well organized, though it might feel a bit Spartan to users accustomed to more visually appealing platforms. I used it primarily for sending batch payments to several vendors, and the process was incredibly smooth. The system processed everything quickly and reliably, with all transactions appearing in my account history within minutes. I had a quick question about adjusting the payment schedule, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how quickly transactions were processed, and the detailed transaction history was extremely helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing everything through the web interface is a little inconvenient. It took me a little while to get used to the more advanced API settings, but once I got the hang of it, integration with my existing system was seamless. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Dwolla. It's a powerful, reliable, and affordable solution for businesses needing a robust payment processing platform. That's my overview of Dwolla Payment Platform. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.